kids. Today, I want to tell you about my favorite toy, Teddy. Teddy is a soft and cuddly bear with golden fur and a red bow tie. He has a big smile and shiny, button eyes that twinkle in the light. I love to hug Teddy and take him everywhere I go. Teddy and I do everything together. In the morning, Teddy and I have breakfast together. He sits right next to my cereal bowl. After that, we play games and build towers with colorful blocks. Teddy loves to knock them down with a gentle paw swipe. In the afternoon, we go on adventures in the backyard. Teddy pretends to be a brave explorer while I am the captain. We discover hidden treasures and climb big mountains. Really, it's just the slide. At night, Teddy listens to my favorite bedtime stories. I tell him all about the exciting things we did during the day. When it's time to sleep, Teddy snuggles beside me, keeping me company with his soft and warm hugs. I always feel safe and happy with Teddy by my side. Teddy is my best friend, and I love him so much. Do you have a favorite toy too?